feeling kind of hungry. Hope there's something in the fridge. I'm starving. You ever do anything? Just kind of stand there, man. Big giant ho-ho Santa, why don't you make me a snack, you useless piece of junk? You're not real anyways. Better be something good in this fridge. I'm just so sick and tired of the same old, same old. Pickles and coffee, pickles and coffee. You ever go shopping? Such a big fridge, you always have nothing sitting inside of it. Well, guess there's only one way to find out. What do we have? Some new things. Better be something good in here. Coffee stuff. Juice. What the heck? What am I seeing? No way. A Kringle in the fridge? What in the heck in Holly Jolly name is no way? Kringle is in the fridge? No. What the hell are you doing in my fridge? No. What? A Kringle in my fridge? This just can't be. This is impossible. There's just no way. I'm gonna have to go tell Fatso there's more than pickles and coffee in the fridge. Hey, Fatso. There's a Kringle in the fridge. I'm telling you, I saw him.
For real? There's no Kringle in the fridge. You've made up some pretty good stories. I don't believe you for 1 second. A Kringle in the fridge. Please.
I'm telling you, man. Go look for yourself. He's in there.
Fine. I'll go take a look. But I'm telling you, there's no such thing as a Kringle in a fridge. You're just out of your mind. You're probably so hungry, you're hallucinating. Who knows? You're a gremlin after all. And you don't have to eat after midnight no longer applies, so you just kind of help yourself whenever you feel like it. So now you're seeing the Kringles in the fridge. Nah, you're crazy. Telling me that there's Kringles in the fridge. Kringles in the fridge. What else is he gonna come up with next? There's just stuff in here. There's just coffee and pickles and things. There's nothing in here. There's no Kringles. You're out of your mind. I'm telling you, there is no Kringles in this fridge. There is no such thing as a Santa Claus living in our fridge.
But I'm telling you, I saw him.
No.
But he's right there. I could see him. He's right behind you. Oh, goodness gracious. Are you blind? But he's right there behind you.
Listen, I told you. There is no dancing Kringle in our fridge. You're out of your mind.
Dancing Kringle in our fridge. What the heck's he gonna come up with next? I wonder how many days are left till Christmas.
Well, at least there's only 12 days of Christmas left to put up with this nonsense and this gremlin hysteria. Santa Claus. Unbelievable. Like somebody would really
Santa Claus. Who believes in that?
Oh my god, there really is a Santa Claus. I'm gonna have to tell my wife all about this now.
No witnesses?
Oh, there was a Kringle in the fridge. I can't believe it.